Guys, I done changed right here. Damn, baby, this is a big chair. This chair bigger than me. Looks crazy, guys. I'm back home now with my children. Princey's eating over there somewhere. But a time was had, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, these dogs are so funny. Good morning, guys. Today is Joey's birthday party. And July is back to back. I'm not gonna lie. But let me do my lip stain first. I just got my period. I'm heating. No, it's not drawing my whole lip. I don't know what I'm about to do to my hair. But I'm gonna keep it simple. Nobody better throw me in the pool because I have my period. They're not gonna care. Oh, and I just washed my hair yesterday. I think we're just gonna put oil, do our edges. Yo, this shit is so, what the hell? Do these little edges. Can't even talk, this thing's sticking. I gotta braid Joey's hair. He's gotta be heated, I'm gonna be the one to braid his hair. Well, he hates getting his hair braided anyways. But you guys know I raised Joey, so this is like, I'm not gonna cry. You are. Just kidding, I was up crying last night looking at videos. Wait, girl. Wow, it came out good today. It looks super dark right now, but it'll lighten up. And my hair is gonna stay like this. Oh, I could do a clip. Because I have a blue clip. The theme is blue, purple, and black. So I'm gonna do a little clip. It's gonna look like I'm going in the pool. Cute. Okay, cute. Things left over. My mustache is out. I think I put the red one on. Bro, I hope I didn't put the red one on. Whatever. Where's that other brush? Okay. You guys are gonna see me at the party because my camera's about to die. Okay guys, I'm at my mom's house. I'm about to wrap Joey's presents. Let me make sure I can't show you everything because it has the address, but I did this little clip. Got these pants on. So I'm about to wrap it with this. Guys, we're about to sing happy birthday. Corin?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Geovy. Happy birthday to you.
You got a box.
But there's something in there. It's already. It's a chair. Turn around.
Wait, can you show us it?
Yeah. Get the chair from here.
Cool.
He
hates the gaming chair. Next.
It's black. He wanted an office chair this time. No, don't open that yet. Too late. Okay. There's no order. Because it's
Amazon.
No, what did I say? I think
that was steps moves. Oh, I got a big box.
Careful with that. Right, P?
Yeah.
Careful with that.
Lay it down. Oh yeah, be very careful. Wait, I think the other one is.
Man, Geovy, you got some big gifts.
He's expensive. What is it? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see what it is.
Pick it up. Monitor.
It's a monitor? Oh.
Wait, why does it need a monitor?
Guys, Ray just picked us up.
There you go. Grab the wheel.
This girl gotta sleep right next to me. It's okay, Mom. Look, Poochie's right here. Sleep under the blankets.
I don't have none on my I don't got none on my camera because remember my thing's broken.
Oh yeah. Guys, it's the next day. I'm rushing right now because the camera's about to die. But we got mail, like. Guys, we got mail. Camera's dying, but it's okay. We got it on the charger. Oh, I just got my mails done. Let me show you. Cute. Okay, haul time. Why are you guys sideways? Whatever. Tomorrow's my mom's birthday. Wait, no. Tomorrow's not her birthday. Sunday's her birthday. Tomorrow we're having a beach party, all pink. So this is my pink chair. But Anna ordered her a pink chair too, and that shit came tiny. So I gotta make sure this is not tiny. And I hope this is a cute color pink. Oh, it is. This is my favorite pink. Damn, baby, this is a big chair. This chair bigger than me. Stop it. Okay, I'm excited. I got me a little chair. I never had a chair at the beach. I always been a lay on the sheet. That's how we do it. Growing up. So, nobody talk to me. Ow. Next. Let me get a scissor because I just got my nails done and I'll use this. Well, even if I didn't just get them done, I use it as a tool. everything so I don't have to do it. I'm back going hard again. I'm shutting down my heart again. No one can get next to me, so then. Oh, I know what this is. Oh my god, this is too far. This is dog toothbrushes. I'm not. Oh, I think it's one of these as an edge brush too, but I got every color. He has like 4 teeth left. I don't know if I'm gonna brush his teeth, but okay. I don't know if you can see this. I hope not. Damn, this one too. Yeah. We're gonna start with this one. I know what it is. New iPad. Who this? Yeah. I want to open her. She looks like she been bounced around. Why is it not opening? Yo, imagine there's no iPad in here. No, I'm not gonna even play like that. But this iPad has 128 gigabytes. My other one had less, and it was so hard to make an hour video. That's why my last video I just dropped was only like, I think 39 minutes. Yeah, baby, now we're gonna be able to have an hour. And I'm excited. Brand new. Damn, I should do an unboxing, right? On TikTok? No, F it. I'm doing it for my girlies, my YouTube girlies. Oh my god. She's brand, well, she's brand new, but gotta charge her. Oh, I gotta buy a case. Oh no, the case is right. Hold on, I'm getting, yo, you hear my stomach growling? What time is it? It's 2:18, I'm starving. But I got my little paper textured screen protector, period. And then I got me a new case. Cute, 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 pink. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys the case. Move all of this. What is this? Another one, thank you. Let me post that. Another one. My other case was like a dark red. This one is a light pink case. This one's like more like, oh shit, this one's more heavy duty. This is plastic. My other one was rubber. Putting her right in here because who's playing any games? I just need to put on a screen protector. ASAP. Dang, I'm not about to do this right now, my screen protector. I'm gonna just let her charge though. And then after I'm done smoking, I'm gonna put it on. I think this is how you line it, right? Damn, this is mad shit. Okay, we're gonna need this. And then this is the extra screen protector. But why is it blue? This shit better not be blue. Right. Got back from Walmart. Put everything away. Now I'm making wings. Yum. Hold on. Yeah. And I'm making sandwiches for the beach tomorrow because, you know, beach party. Chair. Hold on, look at cooler stuff and snacks. Yeah, me, I don't play about the beach. I love to eat on the beach. Like, I need to have mad food. So I'm making 2 loaves. About to have my own cooler and everything. Like, everybody can dig in, but you know what I mean. I need my own shit. I need to make sure I got enough. And we gonna be lit. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'm doing peanut butter and jelly and turkey and cheese because we're gonna have options. Yeah, guys, I just finished the sandwiches. This just is all over the fridge. And then the last thing I have to do is take a shower and clean the cooler because I don't know what that is. Got my towels. This is all the drinks. Some more drinks, some chips and snacks, Coca-Cola, Seagrams. My dumbass was about to fill that up without no ice. Oh, in my chair. So I'm ready, Freddy. Oh wait. The shoes I'm gonna wear, my stuff. I don't know what bathing suit I'm gonna wear. Guys, I bought a bathing suit from Walmart. It was this top and it came with a matching bottom, but bro, why did I get an extra small? So I'm gonna just wear it with that. And I think with this skirt. But I think I'm gonna wear the skirt like this because why the hell is there a B on this skirt? So that's the outfit for tomorrow. Birthday girl, everybody got their pink on.
Let me Chris the little talking ass nigga. He be in the bleachers, baby.
Guys, we're getting ice. It's hotter than a motherfucker right now. She first bitch, you know who's my father? She wants spicy fish man.
Hey, go jagga, jagga, jagga. Call that bitch Bojangles. Juicy like fruit on douche like Duke.
Anna Banana, Destiny, Cece. So cute. Pink everything. Wait, I don't got no liquor in my cup, but cheers. Oh, period. Cheers. Cheers. Guys, we're trying to hit the sign right. Oh, you're gonna be under the sign? That's cute. Period. For my YouTube here. My Anna Banana. Cece. Why is it not? Guys, I done changed right here. We packing it up. The sun's setting. Period. I can't wait to get home. Bro, I just got out the shower and I had to show you guys this. Like, I am tan AF. Guys, it's the next day. Your girl had to take a nap. It's like 5 p.m. the next day. I was so tired, bro. We was at the beach all day. Look at my tan. I don't know why I don't look so dark right here. Maybe because this, but baby, I am tan. Legs is kind of tan. So now I'm about to keep up with it and be outside. I'm about to order me a little tanning chair. Oh, I forgot I got that chair, but I'm trying to hit this back because this back needs to get tan and my ass, you know? So yeah, I'm not doing much today, but I just wanted to pick you guys up. It was so fun. Now it's time to get our head back in the game, like I said. And yeah, bitch. I'm gonna cook me a little dinner because I just want a real meal. I've been eating outside food, except at the beach, of course. Well, no, that's still, I've been eating outside food too much. I just want a home cooked meal by me because, yeah, I'm that girl and I know how to cook. So, and if you don't follow me on my TikTok, it's down below where all my cooking videos be. We going viral, all that. And yeah, I'm about to see you guys probably tomorrow, or maybe I'll show you dinner. We'll see. Guys, I forgot to show you my plate, but this is the aftermath. Bodied it. Chanel on her water bottles, bro. That's her boy right there, Capri. Good morning, guys. We got a Walmart order here. I just needed a little bit of things to make me breakfast. So we got some eggs, some English muffins. I'm tired as heck, but it's gonna be a good day. Oh, I got chicken breast. I'm not about to pick that up. You guys know how I feel about meat. Let me actually bag this. Hell no. And this dress is mad big on me. I got meat juice on me right now. Like, that's disgusting. I'm about to take a shower after this clip. Like, that's really disgusting. I'm tight. This went left. Ew. Okay, I got that. I got cornbread, the honey kind, and I guess I got 2 boxes. Some honey, because you need to add mad honey and butter to it. That was a secret, but there you go. Some garlic salt and some cinnamon rolls. And some coffee cream. Hazelnut, to be exact. Creamer, not cream. I'm still blowed at that good question, bro. Okay, let me put this in the fridge. Oh, I ordered nails. Oh, they must have been out of stock. I'm trying to hang up them swirl lights. So you guys see me try to do in the last vlog? Yeah, it's not. It was out of stock. I'm gonna just have to order it on Amazon because I want to get that done. And I'm gotta figure out what I'm about to do right here. And yeah, like I want everything to be done so I can be cool. And I don't know why I'm like that. Like, I be wanting the whole house decorated like right now. I'm crazy. Yeah, that's the vibes. I got a 435, 3630. It is currently 125 already. See, I was chilling in bed for too long. Cut. And I'm officially period free, so I'm soon. Yeah, Belly got her period, but if it's on me, it's her. Anyways, yeah, and then I seen them trying to do the thing. Like, don't be doing that in front of me. Don't nobody want to see that. But yeah, I'm about to make me a breakfast real quick. I'm probably going to show you guys. And yeah, we're about to get this day started. We got money to make. And my grass just got cut this morning. So that's good. We can tan too. I'm trying to tan and keep up with my tan. But we're not tanning today, but I'm just telling you. Alright, bye. You see I'm talking too much. This is how my food looks. Oh my god, don't judge. We listen and we don't judge. But look. I bodied this. No. It was a 10 out of 10 though. Guys, I just threw this little dress on. Quick and easy to do my clients real quick. Guys, I just finished working, put on some comfy clothes. We're about to edit. Made me some more. Yes, I don't care. This has me in a chokehold. With my coffee, and I'm about to lock it. Guys, it's like 10 hours later. I'm cooking dinner now. Penne pasta in my bed. But that's the only reason I'm fucking with vibe. The niggas I run, they wild. I pray to God I'm not the step on the vibe. New bag, brand new vibes. Brand new vibes. Fuck your bro, need no style. Since I done signed my body, I thought I'm taking a ride. Since but I told myself I need to stop. If you want to ride, let's run up some money. We making Rasta
pasta, babe. I'm missing one ingredient, but who cares? It's just meat in there. Saying I got a stomach. Good morning, guys. Guess what's on the menu for today for breakfast? Ew, my dogs are humping each other, babe. But it's Rasta pasta. I had a 10 o'clock, but Shawty canceled, so cool. I'm about to chill. I need to edit this vlog. Actually, if you made it this far in the video, comment down below. Joint. We about to, anyways, we about to have a Skrilla Babe meeting if you're new here. A Skrilla Babe meeting is a smoke sesh. So get your stencils, your blunts, your bongs, your everything you use. And after this breakfast, that's the vibes. And I might nap and then edit. So we'll see. Because I did edit a little bit yesterday. So, you know, I'm trying to stay consistent with my editing. Oh, I need to know if you guys tried these pills. Euro probiotics. Let me know. Because I haven't took them consistently. But I need to. I paid $30 for this thing. But anyways, yeah, let me eat this breakfast. I had to tell you guys the Rasta pasta was hitting, so I had to eat it for breakfast. Cheers. Get your ass up, boo. I just ate my breakfast. Well, Rasta. We are about to roll up. Oh, I read the Bible. Made the dogs some boiled chicken because they're so spoiled. They want to eat boiled chicken with their food every day. What else did I do? Yeah, I feel so good because last night I washed all the dishes. Like, I had so many dishes. It was like days of dishes piled up. And one thing about it, when my man's home, there is never no dishes in the sink. Like, I would never go lay down and there be a sink full of dishes. Hell no. But I'm just taking advantage right now, you know. Yeah, I'm about to roll up. Oh, I should take my vitamins too, actually. We were just talking about it. Oh, I gotta take my hair. All right, we're gonna take our vitamins. Actually, let me take my vitamins right now before I forget. Because I've been telling you guys we're gonna do something and we don't be doing it. Because your girl be forgetting. I'm gonna show you all the ones I be taking. I take a lot. And I try to like spread them out because I don't want to take them all together because I don't even know if that's like healthy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm gonna do this one, the hair growth one. I'm like halfway through the bottle, but it doesn't taste too bad. I know when I first tried it, it tasted bad, but I haven't been doing it every day. I don't do all of them every day except this one, which is calcium, magnesium, zinc, and D3. Because I don't know if it's too much. I'm gonna put this spoon because we're gonna take this later. I don't know if it's too much vitamins at once, you feel me? Like, I don't know if I can mix all of them or if the hair vitamin got like all these vitamins that I be taking, B12, vitamin C. It says it does have it, but I don't know what's like a too much dosage. So let me just do these for right now. Oh, I'm gonna do my Euro ones. Actually, too. Oh. Hold on, I have iron pills too that I haven't been taking. So that means I bought that for nothing? The way you feel. Yes. I wonder what vitamin's good for white blood cells. Let me see. Oh, I can go live on TikTok now. Oh, I just dropped a TikTok too. Okay, let's see which vitamins. vitamin C, E, B12, vitamin A, zinc. Oh, okay, that's good. I took these 3 euros for this cooch. 2 of them you gotta take a day. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna take the iron one after I roll up. Cause like, you know, I be wanting to take breaks. I just took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pills. But I'm about to make a different TikTok too. Cause I'm trying to mix my TikTok with cooking and me. So we shall see. Guys, favorite Christmas movie. My favorite Christmas movie is Elf and the Poor. I got rudely interrupted, but I actually need to put you guys on the chargers. So I'm gonna talk to you guys while we're doing our smoke sesh. BRB. Guys, I was trying to record a smoke sesh for you, but look, my camera. Guys, I just changed. There's a mess in here, but I just put white lights in here, and I'm about to do it in my other bathroom too. It makes such a difference, I swear. Like his coffee? Okay, let me see what it's looking like in here. Oh my god, so much better. This shit was so yellow, especially in this one. It's like so bright, yeah. Wow. Guys, I just switched these lights too, so we all white lights. Now I just gotta do them big ones, but somebody tell me, how am I supposed to know what light bulbs those are? I need me a little quick snacky snack, so I'm about to body this right now. Yum. Guys, I just did my hair, little bun, and I need to find something to throw on. I'm about to go run some errands, pick up my niece, so I need to get out of this.
You're not thirsty?
Yeah.
My girl's school hair. Tell them where we're going. Yeah, we're going to the store. You gotta hold it out so they can see you. Tell them what we're doing. Trying on shoes for school.
So I give them my shoes for school.
Need some new ones. Show them. These ones is too little.
Yeah, these ones are too little. And find me a new one.
Dang, so this means you could put your shoes on yourself because you don't have no laces.
No.
Wait, stand up. Hold on.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Steffi, gotta get this. My nails is too long.
Because it's too big like my mom's.
Oh, they're too big, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, stand up. It's okay if it's a little bit bigger. Let me see. Walk around. Walk that way.
Yeah,
But this don't make sense. Aren't those at 8?
These are 7.5.
These must run little then,
They
right?
do. Because her white,
Let
That's
Steffi
white
see.
and black ones too.
Okay, let me see a set. It's crazy to get a set. Guys,
One thing about going to the beach with all.
it's the next day, a few days later actually. Whoa, what's going on? Oh, I'm dropping everything. I look crazy, but I don't even care. Yeah, Sunday morning editing. Cheers. I know my girlies missed me. What the heck? I know my, why didn't I just turn this on? That didn't do anything, but I know my girlies missed me. I'm back, boo. I was waiting for this new iPad so I can put out longer footage. I wore that purse yesterday. It's somewhere. But yeah, I was waiting for the iPad so I could put out longer footage for you guys and not just 30-minute videos or whatever. But we here. Today's Sunday. I'm about to scrub my head. I just hate washing my hair when I have nails. You know what I'm saying? Because this be getting all stuck. And I think they're lifting already. So that should be the worst, bro. Yeah. So there's that. What else am I going to do today? Oh, we posting this up. Oh my god, not my shorts hanging right there. Anyways. Yeah, that's the vibes for today. I'm trying to hang up my swirl lights on that wall. A couple vlogs ago you've seen, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. This is my main focus right here today. So, happy Sunday, girls and boys. Oh, hold on, I gotta tell you guys something. Bro, why somebody text me, good morning, gorgeous? And I'm like, you know my man's in jail. I'm like, who the is this? So I looked them up on Cash App. Babe, it's Roach Boy. I just made this whole clip while having a... I just made this whole clip while having a booger in my nose. I'm tight. Babe, it was Roach Boy, though. You know who Roach Boy is. Like, if you don't know, then go down. On my videos, I have a story time about Roach Boy. Literally, it has a big roach on the thumbnail. Go listen to that and then come back here. But anyways, hit me up talking about good morning, gorgeous. Babe, do you ever think, like, one thing about it, once I'm done with a man, and it be taking me, like, I'm one of them people, I gotta fix this looks crazy. I'm one of them people that it takes me, like, well, now I'm learning not to be like that, because why go through the mud, you feel me? But I gotta, like, I'll fuck with you until I don't like you no more. Like, I don't love you no more, none of that. So, that's the vibes from that. And you think you're about to come back over here after everything you did to me? That's what I be thinking about. Like, you did me mad dirty, slime me out, etc. What is this? And you think you're about to come back over here? And, like, that's for any of my exes. Like, you niggas be crazy. And not even that one. Remember? Yo, hold on. Because my girls, my Skrilla babes that been here from the jump know what I'm talking about right now. Because I did a whole series with my sneaky link. Remember? And it was like kind of my man, but not my man. But like, yeah. Him, babe, he spin the block too. Like, are you cool? You know who I'm talking about. When I used to go the apartment partying and shit, yeah. Are you cool? Is you fucking cool? Like, yeah, but one thing about it, I don't care for no nigga to spin the block, because actually you can spin, but you're not, like, I'm not hopping in. You feel me? I'm gonna leave you on red. That's my favorite thing to do. Like, in the moment, it be hurting to leave somebody alone. But yo, niggas always come back, whether it's a couple months, years, all that. My longest relationship, bro, that man is still liking my posts. It'll be 3 a.m. He's liking my posts, commenting on my stuff. And I don't even, you know who I'm talking about, the nigga in New York. I don't even care. Like, talk to yourself. You're not getting no reaction out of me. So yeah, protect your energy, ladies, and don't be running back to your exes. They be exes for a reason. They just want to see if they can hit again, literally. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I'm trying to post like every other day, so be on my ass, okay?